Whether you take your coffee hot or iced, a reliable thermos will keep your drink at its ideal temperature for hours. In fact, the century-old vacuum technology used in thermoses was originally invented to keep liquid hydrogen cold. Today, everyone from campers to commuters use thermoses. Most are affordable, so picking the right one comes down to your specific needs.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best coffee thermos. So let's get started. Number 5. YETI Rambler 12-ounce bottle. YETI may feel like another longtime player in the vacuum-insulated bottle game, but Roy and Ryan Siders didn't found YETI until 2006. Despite that, this outdoorsy brand has become well known for its coolers, gear, and, of course, drinkware. The YETI Rambler is 100% spill-proof, features a no-sweat design, and allows for flexible usage thanks to its unique lid. Give the top a half twist until it clicks and sip from anywhere to gain access to your delicious joe. It'll stay warmer for longer too, thanks to the double-walled vacuum insulation. Pick your favorite color from their wide variety, and don't worry about any extra work because you've bought a fancy bottle. The Rambler is dishwasher safe. Number 4. Hydro Flask Travel Coffee Mug. Hydro Flask is a newer player in the insulated travel mug industry, but it's made waves since its founding in 2009. Their goal is to make an active, joyful life on the go easy with everything they produce. On top of that, their charity, Parks for All, supports the development, maintenance, and accessibility of public green spaces to encourage healthier, happier lifestyles everywhere. From the office to the gym to the campsite, the versatile design of the Hydro Flask really does work. Available in a variety of eye-catching colors, there's a Hydro Flask aesthetic to match everyone's individual flares. Number 3. Thermos Travel Mug. The Thermos brand has become synonymous with insulated travel products, and there's quite a substantial reason for that. Sir James Dewar invented the vacuum flask, a significant breakthrough in scientific instruments. In 1898, Dewar hired a professional glassblower, Reinhold Berger, to make his vision commercially available. Reinhold Berger and his business partner, Albert Aschenbrenner, came up with the idea to encase the vacuum flask inside a metal casing, after which a local resident topped off this invention with the name we all know today, thermos. In Greek, therm means heat, making it absolutely perfect as the moniker for this vacuum bottle. Number 2. Contigo Autoseal West Loop Travel Mug. The Contigo West Loop is a staple for commuters, and it's no mystery why. Contigo has made quite a name for themselves in the on-the-go lifestyle industry. They operate entirely around conquering everyday problems like coffee spills. Contigo's unique Autoseal technology makes the West Loop travel mug leak and spill-proof, and helps keep your hot coffee hot for up to 5 hours and your cold coffee cold for as long as 12 hours. There's also a lock feature to eliminate even the possibility of pressing the button inside your bag and releasing any of the heat or, God forbid, the coffee itself. Top it all off with the fact that it's dishwasher safe, sleek, and comes in a variety of designs, colors, and sizes, and, well, it's clear there's a Contigo Autoseal West Loop for everyone. It's even been named the official reusable water bottle of Coachella 2020. Number 1. Zojirushi SM-SD48XA Steel Mug. Zojirushi specializes in making contemporary, beautiful, and useful products. They have more than 100 years of experience under their belt. They started off with hand-blown vacuum bottles, so it's totally on brand for them to come back and make some seriously sweet steel mugs. This particular Zojirushi steel mug pays special attention to temperature. Able to keep your coffee at 189 degrees for 1 hour and 160 degrees for 6 hours. When it comes to keeping things chilly, It can hold cold temps as low as 46 degrees. Using vacuum insulation, of course. In between the inside and outside layers, there's a layer of aluminum and copper tightly wrapped around the outside of the inside layer. The aluminum or copper reflects heat back in, minimizing how much the temperature can change. That was our list of the top 5 best coffee thermos just for you.